Hi you guys, welcome to my kind of messy space to craft. I've got some cleanup to do. Maybe I'll bring you along with me as I do that and do another desk reset. But I had a few minutes between some doctor's appointments this week and I stopped into Hobby Lobby just to get a few things to support my daughter's senior album that I'm working on. So I just wanted to look at their open source papers and things like that. And I have a Mercy Tiara Kit to open. This is the November kit, and I don't know the name of this kit, but we'll look at it. So first of all, my daughter's school colors are red, green, and black. I'm sorry, black and white and green. So I found this that says Spirit Team, so just playful high school like black and white, so that's perfect. And then she just went duck hunting for the first time. She did not shoot anything. She did not even shoot the gun, but I decided to get this camo paper so I can do a page about her little hunting trip. And then some green gems. I don't really have green gems, and so she's a blingy girl, so she'll like that. This from Paper Studio, and all of the Paper Studio stuff I think was 40% off, maybe 50% off. The open source paper I don't think was on sale, but everything else that I bought was. And so this is a little hunting, and it has ducks on it. I chose this one because it had the ducks. And then this, I have a couple of school books, but they don't specifically say senior, and I wanted kind of a better variety, a different variety. I think some of these might be clear stickers and things like that. So just to give a little texture difference on some of the pages. And I ordered some more Cricut blades. I do like my Cricut trimmer. So I'm just trying to keep up with the blade purchase on that because those pointy blades do run out. All right, let's get to Mercy Tiara. Changes in their packaging. They're trying to reduce their environmental impact, so that's really nice. And there is a really good looking 2-page sketch challenge on here. I may try and do that if I have some 2-page layouts coming up. And then your planning tools and a place for your own sketch layout. So that's fun. All right, let's see what's in here. I haven't seen even an unboxing of this yet. So this is all going to be a surprise to me. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you know that I just get the, oh, this says Cheerful Main Kit. Okay. I only get the base kit. I don't get, there's an extra cardstock kit, ephemera kit, or embellishment kit, and things like that that you can get. I find that these are sufficient, and it's a challenge for me to use even this. So this is cheerful, so obviously it's going to be Christmas related. That makes me kind of happy, so I can do some Christmas prep or Christmases from past. All right, we'll come back to the embellishments after we have a chance to look at the papers. Ooh, this looks like some Vicky Bouton ribbons, wrapped in ribbons. So that, oh, I love this because you can cut all of these out and use them on a page. I love that for fussy cutting, and orange yellow background with white stars, but that is the ticket right there. So I'm going to set this so I can lay these out. I'm going to set this aside. This is also from Vicky Bouton Ribbons. Excuse my dogs in the background. I guess there's maybe somebody, yard people or something. Ooh, some beautiful holly berries. I love that. And the back side is a very subtle taupe holly berry. But you know me, I love the colors, the colors. This is Simple Stories Santa's Village with lots of gifts. Also, you can fussy cut that. It would be real cute in a strip, and then some additional ones fussy cut on a page. And the background is a diagonal green check. Love it. Ooh, Vicki Boutin, almost ready to go. A Christmas tree. And if you wanted 2 ways to add dimension, I could fussy cut this out and put it on another page, or you could just add additional strips of paper or ribbons or whatever onto this to give it more dimension. I think that may be the plan for that one. I love it. Let's check the B-side. Ooh, a kind of a bright green plaid, but it's got some water drops on it for a little distressing. Santa's Village, Simple Stories Santa's Village. Trees. And a beautiful dark green plaid. Santa's Village. And this is a diagonal red and green plaid. And the green is got 2 different greens in there. Kind of a sagey green and cut-aparts. That's fun. I love when you have cut-aparts and the back side is a simple pattern that you can cut a strip out of and use some cut-aparts and some strip. Ooh, Vicki Boutin ribbons. This is fantastic. Half a pie chart and a grid. So both of those things very useful. This could go on another piece of color. And then you have the, and then, ooh, really cute Christmas color stripes. And look at her border strip, bows on this border strip. I haven't been checking the border strip, so we may have to go back and do that. Ooh, falling drops or lights. To me, this looks like twinkle lights a little bit on a pink background, and Christmas wordy bits with some ink splatters and a little strip of Christmas trees. Vicki Boutin wrapped in ribbons. Her fonts are always so great. I love her handwriting. And some holly berries in beige at the top, and then some sort of painterly polka dots. Love that. Ooh, this is Simple Stories Snow Pine Lodge, so from a different collection, and it is a green sweater. Love it. And dark green, completely different green, little mini pine trees. Very cute. Simple Village Holly Berry. So this is the third different Simple Stories collection, and it's old-fashioned Christmas ornaments. Very pretty. And a beautiful green polka dot background. But look at these things go together so beautifully. And the last piece of paper we have from Vicki Boutin wrapped in ribbons is poinsettias, white poinsettias, and then little maybe snowflake kind of the taupe on white, but it's not just white, it's got some color in it. But just like whitewashed, color in the background, then whitewashed, and then these little dots. So that's kind of neat. Okay, so those are our papers. I love the variety, but everything pretty much goes together. So let's take a look. These are our thickers, our letters for this month. I love that Vicki Boutin always does some neutrals, like black thickers, and sometimes you can color them or they have a little white on them or whatever. These are great, and you get a variety of sizes, so you can really vary the look of your titles. And it's got numbers. That's fantastic too. Perfect for Christmas. And then this is wrapped in ribbons, Vicki Boutin titles. I'm going to foam phrase stickers. So great source for titles and other embellishments. All these stars. I love this banner, Magic of Christmas. Let's see what's on the back side. A whole bunch of words, little banners, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. I love it. Lots of words, and all these colors are fabulous together. I love that there's a little pink and a little teal in everything. That's my kind of Christmas colors. Let's see. We got some red twine. It's really nice quality baker's twine, so that's fun. I do own red baker's twine, but that's okay. Can always use it. Let's see what's in here. These are our custom embellishments. That's kind of cute. Let's find something solid to put it on. Let's see. Cheerful, traditions, and celebrate. So those are fun. And then you can, you could color these very easily. All sorts of things you can do with that. So those are cute. Some little custom-made embellishments for the holidays. Oh, and look, we have a custom, I love this, custom sequin mix. Blues, greens, candies, white stars, gold. That's beautiful. Bright colors, so all the bright colors that go with this. That's going to be very handy. And we got the Simple Stories number bits. So it just has all the different numbers. So this might come in handy if you do a journal or a page a day or something like that. Or a specific, like Chamel's Journal Your Christmas. These would be perfect. And a couple of holly berries and then numbers. So that's really cute. All right, that is our Mercy Tiara kit for November, obviously leaning into the holidays. So please give this video a thumbs up and come back for more content. Maybe I'll try and put together a page, maybe even a base page using some of this. Thanks a lot, you guys.